Hi mga madi! Ang kakantahin ko po ngayon ay isang request mula sa nag-comment po sa akin sa YouTube na si Ma'am Mariel Lee. Hi Ma'am! Thank you for watching po sa kinanta ko noong ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko, pero basta si Miss Sarah G ang nagkanta nun. Basta yun na yun. Sabi nga pala ni Ma'am Mariel nun, sana'y kantahin mo Forbidden Love by Sarah G. O, diba? Actually, di ko po alam ang kantang ito, ma'am. Pero, narinig ko naman ito mula noong narinig ko ito doon sa pinanood ko noon na isang movie. Kalimutan ko yung pamagat. Basta, andun ata si Sian, di ba? Basta yun, ang dami kong satat. Okay, ito na po.
Like the stars in the night that I love to behold, you seem near in my sight, yet so distant to hold. You're somebody forbidden for me to possess. So this love I've long hidden, I try to suppress. All night long, all day through, how I long for your kiss. I love you, how I do, yet you don't know of this. There's somebody who found you before we have met, while your arms still around you, I have to forget. Forbidden love, forbidden lips, can't even touch your fingertips. Forbidden smile, forbidden face, your love is such forbidden grace. If at last, though I tried getting you off my mind, my heart still couldn't hide my true feelings behind.